Welcome, and thank you for joining our last episode of Soul Food with Pierre. I'm Elisha Underwood from Rise VT, Windham County, and Brattleboro Memorial Hospital. This is video number 3 of our 3-part series, where I'm learning from Pierre Bartley, a local cook and my dear friend who is graciously sharing his very own perfected recipes with us. Eating together as a family improves children learning in school, enhances their social and emotional well-being, and leads to healthier eating. To find more information about these recipes and dinner together tips and materials, please visit risevt.org/dinner-together. So we did fried chicken, and we did 2 sides of collard greens and mac and cheese. And so now with Soul Food with Pierre, what are we gonna make for dessert?
Banana pudding.
Banana pudding. Can't wait.
We're just gonna mix this up.
How many cups of milk?
Well, we've got 3 boxes in here. So each one takes 2 cups of milk.
Okay.
Okay. Whisk away.
Whisk away. All right. It's ready.
Now that that's set and ready, we're gonna add some whipped cream to it.
Okay. All of it?
No, not all of
Okay.
it. Just enough to change the flavor a little bit.
All right.
So, you know I don't measure, so I guess how much is that? What does that look like? About
2 tablespoons?
2 tablespoons, yeah.
A tablespoon, yeah. Just enough for the flavor.
Yeah. Now it's time to make the pudding. So first we take this, we take a small amount, put it at the bottom, and then I like to spread it around. That's for your first layer of cookies.
That looks great. So we have the banana pudding on the bottom.
Yeah.
And then these are vanilla wafers.
Yes. Vanilla wafers, you add a layer of these.
So all the pudding is covered.
Yeah.
This would be a great activity for kids to do as well.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
So the different layers, like a lasagna, it would be great for kids to do.
Yeah, definitely. One of the easier ones. Okay, so now we add our bananas to it. You just chop it up and.
So you could use a cutting board, or
Yeah, but I mean,
an
it's just.
adult use it that way.
Yeah. Okay, and you want to make sure those are spread all over the bottom evenly.
Okay, covering the cookies and the pudding.
Yep. And then you're going to do the same thing again. Depending on how much pudding you put in it, if you like it more pudding-like, you use more pudding, and if you want it more cake-like, you add less in the layers.
Yeah. How do you like it?
I like it thick.
Thick.
Yeah,
So lots of
more
pudding?
cake.
More cake.
More cookies and less pudding.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so rule is you want a layer of cookies. Make sure you put some pudding on the bottom first so they don't slide around.
Okay.
Pudding, cookies, bananas, pudding again.
Great. And just keep doing that.
Yep, all the
Great.
way to the top.
When did you first learn how to make banana pudding?
I was young, probably about 7 or 8. You know, this is one of the main dishes, well, one of the main desserts that go pretty much with everything. Cookouts, but yeah.
So everyone knows how to make banana pudding in your neighborhood?
Holidays, yeah. So,
Do they always make it the same, or?
no, it's little variations. Some people might add vanilla, nutmeg, or different things like that. I'm keeping it simple now to make it easier for people that's making it for the first time.
Right.
And they can switch it up and do it however they want to after, you know.
Great. And I think that's the best part about soul food, is just making it your own.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
So viewers at home can just make it their own at home. Enjoy.